Okay. All right, for this week's tip, I want to talk about getting the most out of your small shop, and I want to call it the tip, putting wheels on it. Look, portability in the job site is super important, but here in the workshop, mobility is more important. And what I'm getting at is that here in the workshop, I put wheels on everything. Why? Because I have a super small, narrow shop, and being able to push 300, 400, 500-pound heavy tools right up tight against the perimeter wall, out of the way, and opening up the floor space for my table saw or assembly table is huge. And I know lots of folks will make mobile bases or mount caches to their tools, and I really don't have time for that. I just buy my mobile bases. I look at companies like Rockler, Portability, and Jet. Jet by far is the best. Mobile bases are ideal for moving, storing, and servicing tools in your workshop. And with such a small shop like I have, having all of my woodworking tools on mobile bases means I can store them tight against the wall, which opens up the center for assembly operations and stuff like that. But I can also roll them around with ease with one hand. If these tools were not on a mobile base, I'd have to have them further off from the wall. Dust collection would have to be in the back, cords, I need room to maneuver, and that just takes up too much center floor space. So there's a lot to like about mobile bases. And with a mobile base, when I need to access a tool, or say maybe run a long 16-foot board through them, I can simply just roll it out into the open floor and let the long lengths run down the length of the shop to collect my dust collection, whatever I have to do. Works great. With smaller lengths, a lot of times I can just joint a small piece on the machine right where it sits against the wall. I don't have to roll it out. Also, mobile bases allow it much easier for me to move the machine around for vacuuming behind it or refinishing the floor when that time comes, or reorganizing my shop and moving things around. Additionally, if you have a garage and everything is on mobile bases, you can pull everything out, use your workshop in your garage, and then when you're done, push everything back to the perimeter walls and park your car in again. That's it for the tip, guys. Put wheels on it. I hope this tip helps. Have a great week. Guys, if you enjoyed these shorter tip video series, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. And also, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to follow Concord Carpenter and Toolbox Buzz on Instagram. I'm Rob Robillard, and we'll see y'all next week. Take care.